that over. Should I just go for it? Okay. She's in trouble way up in her head. Doesn't know what strategy's best. Should she shout it or put it to rest? Should she shout it or put it to bed? She's in trouble way out on this ledge as she struggles to keep her balance, and calling you crossed her mind, but pride pushed the tortured thought far aside. There's no reward for sticking with him, no prize for standing by and clinging stubbornly to his position. He's just no good at loving her right, and she don't want to settle again, won't resign to accept second best. It's a question of her happiness. She won't be condemned to straddle his fence. Your lady called me today. She's afraid you're not going to stay, to stick around long enough to see it through, to comfort her, the one who always comforts you. You had a near brush with death. Now you're addicted to this mess. Well, are you finished yet? 'Cause we are tired of watching you try to die the way you try, you always do. Here lies someone who struggled to thrive, to create and survive, but got swallowed up whole. Many late nights, shattered dreams and decisions spent restlessly fighting the tide, seeking new flavors to savor, not bitter but sweet, fresh and tasting of spice, longing for the newness of life and the precious connection of love. Some have it easy, some fight the storm, not tasting grapes on the recline, or in the dark corner of forgotten one-hit wonders, porcelain angels' dues pay, longing for the newness of life and the precious connection Because I'm the primary songwriter for the majority of the material that I have with my band, playing it solo isn't that much different for me. It's just a little more nerve-wracking. It's a little more naked, raw, exposed, vulnerable, all of those things. But I don't really change the arrangements too much. Sometimes I might make a solo section only half as long because it's not as entertaining without a solo going over it, and I realize that. But I play it pretty much the same as I would with the band. All right, this next one is called Mighty Fine Day, and it's one of my newest songs. And definitely I feel like it reflects my Texas roots a bit, so I'll just get on with it. Standing right here with a gun in my hand, a year after you left me, I'm gonna shoot the dark clouds right out of the sky, prove to myself that I'm free, and it's a mighty fine day to let you go. It's a mighty fine day to let you go. It's a mighty fine day to let you go. These demons that drag me down, they haunt and follow me, leave me crying to the heavens, how long will this hurt? Give my soul some peace on our street of broken dreams, on our street of broken dreams, on our street of broken dreams. That's just how it goes, you tell me. You say it's always gonna sting, but how to stop my remembering and cure this heat of feeling for this passion that I'm in? Oh, this passion that I'm in. Oh, this passion that I'm in. All right, this next one is called The Facts of Love. Number one, know that it's not fair. Number two, know that you can't care. Number three, know that it's nowhere but in your heart. Love on the lips of your lover, sweet wine you long to savor. You can try your best to preserve it, but it will leave you blind. Don't lay it down for the rest of the clowns. Don't lay it down for the rest are all fools. Don't lay it down for the rest of the world. It's only the fact of love. My father once long ago warned me not to expect any kind of reward for traveling the path of suffering in the name of love. He said confusion is par for the course, my child, and love the most dangerous game. You may think that you can tame it, but it will leave you lame. it down, for the rest are all fools. Don't lay it down for the rest of the world. It's only the facts of love. Don't lay it down for the rest of the clowns. Don't lay it down, for the rest are all fools. Don't lay it down for the rest of the world. It's only the facts of love. In the studio, I tend to thrive occasionally on happy mistakes. And I like to go in with pretty much knowing what I'm going to play and lay down and have the general arrangement. But you know, you might get inspired there and then, and it's just, you can feed off of the people and the sound of the room and so many factors that I don't consider myself to be rigid when it comes to recording. I really enjoy the process. I enjoy live and recording. Recording is a totally different level of creative freedom. She's exotic like nothing else you have seen. You want so badly to touch her, but you're not her kind of thing. She's calling your number, dialing your mind. Gotta deal with the dial, got a hook on your line. She's sending the signal, you're hearing the tone, luring you nearer, and you don't even know. You follow the call to its origin, tell you just what she's thinking. I want him, I want him, I want him, I want him. Siren calling your mind, siren calling you, siren calling your mind, siren calling you. She could give you the heavens, but the waiting is hell. Things just might take a turn, one can never tell. The conditions are changing, opening up. There's a space in the clearing. Chance is moving in, moving, moving in. Siren calling your mind. Siren calling you. 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 I've got to be able to hang up if I want to. I've got to be able to hang on if I need to. I've got to be able to take off if I want to. I've got to be able to take off if I need to. Siren calling your mind, siren calling your mind, siren calling your mind, siren calling your mind, siren calling your mind. This one is called Ashes to Ashes. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Cry no more tears, for part we must. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Who shall remain once the saw has cut? Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Scatter like seeds in ruddy dust. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Love comes and it cuts. heart's once a mirror, now fracture and fissure, and open heart with madness meets. Float on the ocean of dreams, burning you in effigy. Last night I tasted salty kiss, flavors of fear and bitterness. Ooh. What a crime to leave unsaid, leave unspoken the heart's head. What a crime to leave unsaid. Hey, hey, shadow like velvet, soft on skin, as you linger and long for him. Ooh. What a crime to leave unsaid, leave unspoken the heart's head. What a crime to leave unsaid. Hey, hey, now all the time she yelled, wishes she'd whispered, and in his absence echoes the silence. Ooh, sweet sugar so bitter, shiver like winter on her tongue. Never let another in to your heart's secret chamber. The mandolin is a very odd thing. It came into my life via a friend of mine named Michael Knobloch, who sold me my first mandolin. And I didn't really know what I was getting into. I just thought, oh, this sounds kind of cool. He had a lot of instruments for sale. And the first one I got is a very unique shape, and it's not a shape you see a lot, even in mandolins. And it had a sound to it. It was really the sound. For me, when I get a new instrument, the way it sounds can inspire me so much. And from there, I just started collecting more mandolins, and it's just like I hear, when I hear the certain sound of an instrument that I try, if it speaks to me in a certain way, it has to come home with me. Some 700 steps up to the summit. Some 700 steps if you can climb it atop. A Cronan, a Fion, Kara Hissar. It's a testament to reach the summit. You're a soldier if you can climb it. Stones white from below, but what can fools who see from afar know? You can build castles in the sky, so lovely on high. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So high up and far from ground, so many enemies to crush down. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Locked inside is something ecstatic. Instinct bides you to protect. Dark, but I will defend it to the death. Battle cry, hymn of the solemn, oh the glory in a flower. Early June with poppies in full bloom. You can build castles in the sky, so lovely on high. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So high up and far from ground, so many enemies to crush down. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Thank you.